most of the time we end up sleeping at Walmart parking lots or rest stops, wherever we can find a spot for the night. And it was a really nice change of pace to be able to find this camping spot outside of the Yosemite National Park. It was beautiful, and it was so nice to wake up in the woods surrounded by nature. We definitely slept in and took our time waking up this morning because it was just so peaceful to not have to wake up to the sound of a semi-truck pulling in to the Walmart, and just to be listening to all the sounds of nature. And normally our morning routine is about the same every single day. Our goal is to have everything put in its place and tidied up so that we can start driving for the day. So once we finally got up and got changed and ready, our main goal is to put everything away. And so normally I go and I get all the dirty clothes and I put them in our dirty clothes bag, and I put everything from the front seats and the back. And we just kind of start putting everything in its place so that we can drive and use it as a car. As we were prepping for our trip, I was honestly excited for the challenge of trying to fit everything we needed into our car. And now that we've been on the road for almost 5 weeks now, I think I'm just shocked at the fact that we haven't even used or needed a lot of the stuff that we brought. And it honestly reminded me that you really don't need much when you live just day to day. And I feel like it's a really good reminder because a lot of times we just have so much stuff and we don't want to get rid of it because we think we might need it or use it one day, but we really don't need that much stuff. And the other thing that I've loved about living on the road is how much time we've spent out in nature. And obviously, as you can imagine, you don't have much space in your car to just work or relax. And so if you want to get out or do anything, you're quite literally forced to just get out and be active because you have nowhere else to go. And that's been one of my favorite parts because we spent so much time out in nature this summer, and it has been so good for the soul. It's something that I'm definitely going to apply when we get back to our home. Our breakfast honestly changes day to day depending on what we have, but this morning we ended up using our adapter that Luke purchased before our trip, and it has been a lifesaver. We use this to plug in our kettle as well whenever we have oatmeal in the morning. But we also got this little like sandwich maker thing. I don't even know what it's supposed to be for, but we kind of use it as a toaster. And so we got our croissants from Costco. We just get like a big thing and eat them throughout the week, whether for breakfast or lunches or snacks or whatever. So we ate it for breakfast this morning, and Luke came up with this delicious combination. He's using the jam that we got from a local farm. It was just like a stand along the side of the road when we were driving one day, and this jam tastes amazing. And then he added some goat cheese and just made a little sandwich, and it tasted amazing. It's also nice to have something warm, especially when you're out on the road. Not all of our mornings are this slow and laid back, but it is nice to have this type of morning every couple of days just so that you can reset and enjoy the scenery around you and not feel too rushed. But I was really excited because this day we were planning to drive around the Yosemite National Park a lot more, and this place is amazing. And I am so grateful that we have been able to come and drive around and camp here because it has been on my bucket list for so long, and I just couldn't get over how perfect the day was. The weather was beautiful, the sun was out, and I just couldn't wait to be able to go and explore the park some more. I really hope as you watch my videos that you feel inspired to go outside and do something for yourself, and you don't have to wait for a big trip or vacation to come up to achieve this. I've definitely learned as we've driven all around the country from Georgia up to Washington State. I was shocked that even in the middle of nowhere, there was beauty everywhere we drove. And so you don't have to wait for something to come up. You can go into your backyard, and I know you'll find something amazing. So don't forget to take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.